If you're facing the Preauth Play Integrity verification failed error while trying to log into ChatGPT, here's how you can fix it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Once the connection is stable, try signing in again. If the issue persists, go to your phone settings and search for the ChatGPT app. Open it, go to storage and clear the cache. Then also clear data as well. Next, go back and check permissions for the ChatGPT app. Make sure all necessary permissions are allowed. Then open the Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT and check for updates. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Also, make sure your Google Play Store itself is updated. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then About, and update the Play Store if possible. Finally, restart your device. After following these steps, the issue should be resolved. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. Press the notification button as well. See you soon.